Welcome back. We have learned that what are the polynomials and how to find the degree of polynomial. Okay, now in this video we are going to learn that how to operate polynomials, mean how to add or subtract or multiply or divide different polynomials. So, okay, first of all, we will learn that how to add the polynomials, but before starting to operate the polynomials, going to some basic concepts, okay, which will help us in solving the polynomials, adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing. Okay, you have to learn that if we add a positive term into a negative term, then we will subtract them. If we are adding a negative term into a positive term, again we will subtract. And if we are going to add a positive term into a positive term, what we will do, we will add them. And if we are going to add a negative term into a negative term, we will again add them. Okay, how you have to remember this? If there are opposite terms, natures of terms, then we will subtract them. Opposite means if the first one is positive and the other one is negative, then you have to subtract them. And if the terms are same, both are positive or both are negative, then we will add them. Okay, and after that, the other thing which you have to learn is in multiplication. If you are multiplying a positive term with a negative term, it will give you a negative term. Plus multiply minus is equal to minus. And if you are multiplying a negative term to a positive term, it will give you a negative term. And if you are multiplying a negative term with a negative term, it will give you a positive term. And if you are multiplying positive term to a positive term, it will give you a positive term. So keep these in your mind. Simply if you remember this table, then addition and multiplication will be easy for you. Okay, let's start. Move to the topic. Operations on polynomials. So first of all, we are going to learn that how we can add polynomials. Remember that only like terms can be added. Only like terms can be added together. What are the like terms? The terms with same variable and same exponent are called like terms. For example, you are going to take two different terms, 2x cube, 3x cube. Then what is the same in these two terms? The variable and their exponent. So we can say that both of these are like to each other. Take another example. Let's say we have two different polynomials, 9x raised to power 6 plus 4xy minus 6, 2x raised to power 2 minus 3x y 3x y plus 7. So what is the same in these two polynomials? X raised to power 6, x raised to power 2 is not same. Although the variable is same, but the exponent is not same, therefore these are not the like terms. Go to the next term, 4xy minus 3xy. Both of these are like terms. Okay, move to minus 6 and plus 7. What about this? Minus 6 and plus 7, as there is no variable, no exponent, but these are the constants, so we can say that both of these are like terms. Okay, go to the addition. How we can perform addition? We can perform addition in two ways. The first one is horizontal and the other one is vertical. Okay, now we have to learn that how we can add the polynomials horizontally. In horizontal way, what do you have to do? Group the like terms and then add their coefficients. We will learn it from example. Move to the example. The first example is 9ab plus 7ab plus ab. So are these the like terms? Yes, these are the like terms ab, ab and ab. All the three terms containing the same variable ab. Now we have to add them. First we have to group the like terms. They are already grouped. Okay, after that what we have to do? We have to add their coefficients. Okay, let's start. Add the coefficients. The coefficient of first term is 9 and the second term is 7, and then AB is 1 time, so its coefficient will be 1AB. Now 9 plus 7 plus 1 gives 17 of AB. Hope you will understand. Okay, move to the next example. The next one is 2pq square, 2pq raised to power 6 minus 18p square minus 3pq power 6 plus 4p square. First of all, we have to find the like terms and after that we will group them. Okay, 2pq raised to power 6. Is there any like term to the 2pq raised to power 6? Yes, here it is. Minus 3pq square raised to power 6. Okay, first we will group them. 2pq raised to power 6 minus 3pq raised to power 6. After that, there is minus 18p square. Is there any like term to the 18p square? Yes, there is 4p square. Now, we have grouped the like terms. Now, we have to add the coefficients. So, the coefficient is 2 minus 3 pq raised to power 6 plus into minus 8 minus 18 plus 4 p square. Now we have to add a positive term into a negative term. So what we will do, between positive term and a negative term, we have to positive and the negative term, then we have to subtract. Simply remember that if the signs are different, if the terms nature is different, then subtract them, and if the nature is same, then add them. Okay, as the nature is different, so we will subtract them. Then now subtract 2 from 3, it will come plus. But remember, if there is what the question is, what we will put the sign here, positive or negative, then remember greater has authority. As 3 is greater sign and it has negative sign, 3 is greater value and it has negative sign, so we will use negative sign. P q raised to power 6 plus minus 18 plus 4. Again, as the nature is different, so we will subtract them. So 18 minus 4 will be 12. And again, as greater has authority, so there will be a negative sign. P square. Now, what will it be? Minus 1 pq raised to power 6 plus 12 plus into minus 12. Now how we will write it? Okay, it will become minus 1 pq raised to power 6 and plus minus minus, they are multiplying, so as they are opposite terms, so there will come a negative sign, 12p square. Okay, hope you will understand. Going to the next thing, which is that how we can add the polynomials vertically. Okay, let's start. First we have to arrange like terms one below the other and then add coefficients. Arrange like terms one below the other. Okay, first we have the example 9x square minus x plus 4 and minus 4x plus 2x square plus 9. First of all, what we have to do is write the first polynomial as it is 9x square minus x plus 4. Now we have to add the other polynomial into the first. What we will do, we will arrange like term one below the other. Okay, minus 4x is like to which term? That is minus x. So we will write minus 4x just right below minus x. The next term is plus 2x square, and 2x square is like to 9x square, so we will write it below 9xk, and then plus 9 is like to 4, so we will write 9 just below the number 4. Now we have to add them. Okay, both of these are positive as their nature is same, so we will add 9 plus 2 will be 11 x square. Okay, greater has authority, so there will be positive sign. Minus minus, again same nature, so we will add them. 4x, we have to 4x into a 1x, so it will give us 5x with, again majority has greater has authority, the negative sign, and again same nature, so we will add 9 plus 4 will be 13, and positive sign is because of the greater value. Hope you will understand. Okay, moving to the next example, which is p square plus 5p minus 7 and p cube minus 2p square plus 4. Interesting one. Okay, p square, first we will write like terms p square plus 5p minus 7, and the next one is p cube minus 2p square. Okay, p cube, is there any like term 2p cube? No, there is no term like to p cube, so where we will write p cube? Okay, we are going to write it here, minus 2p square, as it is like to p square, so minus 2p square, and plus 4 is like to minus 7, so we will write it here. Now we have to add them. Okay, positive term and negative term, it means we will subtract them as their nature is different. So 1 minus 2 is 1 p square, and the sign will be negative because of 2. 5p square, as there is no term to add in it, so we will write it as it is 5p, and again different nature, so we will subtract 7 minus 4 will be 3, and the sign will be negative because of the greater value. P cube, now as there is no term to add in p cube, so we will write p cube as it is, and the sign will be positive because there is only one term and it has positive sign. Hope you will understand. Okay, going to the next example. The last one is, look, there are 3 polynomials in example 5. First this, and the second one, and the third one. How we will add them? It is a simple way. First add the first 2 polynomials, and in their sum add the third polynomial. Okay, write the first polynomial, which is 3ab square plus 5a square b minus 4ab. Now next move to the next polynomial, a square b minus 6ab. Is there any a square b? Yes, here it is. So we will write a square b right below 5a square b and minus 6ab right below minus 4ab. Now we have practiced the addition. Here we will write it directly and solve it directly. Okay, 3ab square will come as it is, as there is no other term, plus, and it is also a positive term, so 5a square b plus a square b will be 6a square b with a positive sign, and minus and minus again like terms, it will minus 10ab. Okay, as we have added the first two polynomial and we got this sum, now what will we do? We will add the third polynomial in this sum, 6ab square right below 3ab square plus 4a square b just right below 6a square b. Now is there any term left? Okay, no term is left. Now we are going to add them. 3ab square 6ab square will be 9ab square plus 6a square b plus 4a square b will be 10a square b and minus 10ab. That's it. Hope you will understand. Okay, we'll meet you in the next video. Practice questions are attached in the course, so you can practice it. Meet you in the next video. See you soon.